A number of years ago, I was in terrible pain, and I went to a doctor, and he said I needed to go through an operation. And it was in my knees, and I couldn't walk, and I was in such pain. So God dropped the message in my head that I should go see Dr. Freeman. I called him, and I said, I want to make an appointment. It was Tanis Esther. So I said, when can I come? And he said, now. And I went to him. Hardly could walk. I stumbled into his studio, and the most amazing thing, it took him maybe half an hour. He poked he poked all kinds of places, and I walked out. No operation, and the situation was taken care of. He knows what he's doing, and to me, he was a miracle worker. Thank you.
Oh, and now you're able to dance at weddings.
It's a number of years later. The age has slowed me down a bit, but my knees are fine. My knees, that problem never came back. I don't know, it was painful, but it was worth it, every minute of it.